In this video, I will show you the easiest way to create a fake and harmless virus in your Windows 10 or 11 system. So open Notepad. Now here copy and paste this command. You can get this command from description. Now here click on File, Save As, give any name. .bat. Make sure in the last letters you will type this extension .bat. Select all files, select location, then save it. Exit and double click on that file. So this is the effect and harmless virus you can create easily in just 1 or 2 minutes, and you can prank to your friend. So thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.